Sherry Bird left first and never looked back.
I'm gonna need a raise. I lost my ass on that one.
That's all right, because I'm gonna remember that them. All year they've been telling me to lay down all the time, and then they guess. That.
Seen that coming on. Boom! See ya! That's a good win, man. I needed that. I'm home. Oh, that was good, man. I'm going to the Final Four. Oh, man. One more round. Whoa! You! Huh? She slept. No, you bet you play team next time. You can see the tree come on, and then my car moved. I was on it. I was ready. I wanted to win. I really did. I wasn't trying to lay down for him. Nothing. I wanted to win that race, and I won it.